Welcome back to the Sound for More channel. Today I have the pleasure to introduce you to Gemini, a plate reverb, which is part of the Zodiac series from Yonac. Before I continue, I would like to remind my viewers to subscribe as it helps with growing the channel. Additionally, if you would like to support what I do, please check again the description in each video, which will tell you how to do that. And please don't forget to comment, to like, etc., because every traffic that you generate on videos and therefore on the channel helps with growing the channel itself, bringing more giveaways and etc., etc. Okay, so we have a new effect, a legendary, how Yonac calls it, a plate reverb. Really great. And that has been created to really bring back that classical rich, highly diffused sound from the 50s. So a lot of effort has been put in. And you can see here you have a selection of different plates organized by UK and US as well. And each plate comes with its unique set of features in terms of attack, density, diffusion, and tonal characteristics. And everything has been modeled accurately to bring back that acoustic, that type of sound. Here you have a pre-delay. The controls are pretty easy. That is why I go through them quite quickly, and then we listen to some of the preset. Each plate can be driven by a transparent, what is called pre-amped, okay? And indeed, you can have a drive for that as well. Here you can adjust the gain. Here you have your power as well. Here you have filters, low pass filter, high pass filter. You can enable also a custom mode if you press on some of those, which is absolutely great. Here you have a damper, which is easily to recognize in terms of how long that reverb tail is in it. Here you can adjust the contour. You have up to 3, and this changes, of course, the characteristics of that reverb in terms of decay, depending on the type of frequency. You can adjust the width, of course. You can adjust the pan. You have also dry pan, and you can adjust as well alongside the normal pan, which is great. You have mix dry and wet here. You have a modulation, so you have speed here and amount, so it's great. And then you have an EQ section here. Therefore, based on the different frequency here that you can adjust, the low, mid, and high, then you can adjust the gain here. Here you have an input and then an output, right? And then here you have some settings, right? Pretty straightforward. And here, top left, this is where we start. We have a selection with banks, typical user interface from Yonac. And then for each bank, you have preset, which you can choose and you mark your favorite. You can create new ones, rename them, initialize them, etc., etc. So lots of different things. So let's go for keys. I really like that you are bank specific to the type of sound. So we have one for sound, for piano. I'm using Piano Tech just to show you here. Piano Tech on this audio channel. I have disabled all the reverb, delay, and EQ. I'm going to bring in a file player here for vocal, which I might actually choose. Why not? Now, and there you go, put it in the loop. Then I have a hammerhead here as well, which will help because we have some preset with for drums. And then of course they're all going from all the output are on a mix bus A, which then is captured here where I have the effect. Okay, so let's go for a long plate. Really great. Cool played. Let's go for modulated keys. Really great. And you can have a lot of different type of preset, of course. Really, really nice. Okay, so now let's disable the file player and let's use now Hammerhead, and let's bring in some presets for drums like so, and let's try some of them. Okay, I hope you enjoyed some of those, and really great, absolutely fantastic. And let's go to guitar, let's go to acoustic now, let's go back to piano tech here, and let's change to a classical warm guitar, and let's listen again. Perhaps I forgot, let's ensure that we have all the effect. Let's bring back this classical, yep, there you go, perfect, they're all off. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Let's go for this spacious acoustic. Really great, wide acoustic. Guitar sure played. Really, really great. Now let's go for some vocal. Okay, and let's first of all turn it off, and let's introduce a file player, and let's adjust a bit the volume. Let's listen.
You could have told me yourself that you love someone else. Instead, I heard through the grapevine. Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard through the grapevine, and I'm just about to lose my mind. Honey, honey, well, people say believe half of what you see, son, and none of what.
Lost in echoes, saw your voice in the noise. I found my choice. Dancing shadows on the wall with you. In the twilight we find a way.
Let's listen to the cathedral, it's quite nice.
Wandering hearts that never stray, whisper soft like the summer breeze.
I'm going on during this time. I feel there's no one to save me. This all and nothing really got away, driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody
So as you can hear, it's actually really good. It performs incredibly well. And as I said, you have a selection of 6 different plates, which is great. And you can change a lot of the different settings. CPU usage is pretty good as well. So a lot of different controls, AU parameters. There you go, all exposed, which is absolutely great. So great addition to the Zodiac series from Yonac. I hope you enjoyed the short tutorial and demonstration, and as always, see you next time. Bye.